Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 1.91% in a kind of significant manner. The cost of Axie vastness generally rose by 1.95% in the past 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely huge. As far as Axie's support floor, it fundamentally is currently $10.21 in a kind of large manner. Axie generally has its exceptionally next obstruction at $11.87, in opposition to mainstream thinking. 22 October 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and really attempt to answer these habitually truly sought clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Axie vastness? Basically is Axie an excellent venture, which by and large is very critical. Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Axie's specialized examination, fundamentally let us in every way that really matters discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there by and large, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,134,997,981,662, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $40,453,921,837 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22% in an in every way that really matters significant way. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time period, which most certainly is genuinely critical. XRP, the very local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.19 and at present exchanging at 52 cents in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, fundamentally further appearance how yet prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the Axie's specialized examination, for the most part allowed us explicitly to discuss this sort of current economic situations, which truly is genuinely huge. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a by and large descending bearing for truly transient in a kind of huge manner. As of now, a kind of broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly further appearance how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in an every practical sense, descending course for all things considered, transient in a kind of significant way. Axie limitlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to essentially recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which certainly shows that Axie vastness support and opposition levels and so forth, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Support generally is a level at which purchasers most certainly become sort of dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers truly become truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors truly become genuinely dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a sort of enormous manner. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Axie boundlessness, Axie, Axie endlessness execution. The by and large day-to-day diagram of Axie vastness in every practical sense shows that the Axie's cost generally has in a real sense flooded up with a 1.95% expansion in for the most part beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting how the really all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $40,453,921,837, which sort of is very huge. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness, Axie's coin sort of is remaining at $4.39, with market capitalization $620,140,339 United States dollars, exhibiting the 22 October 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Axie limitlessness cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts, what by and large is for the most part momentary cost expectation for Axie endlessness. Generally is Axie's an essentially wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner. Axie's cost changes 1.91% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume essentially is drifting around $37,154,205 United States dollars, especially further appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of money. As Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours in a kind of enormous manner. Axie endlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 22 October 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time span, sort of made sense of beneath, which in a real sense shows that Axie's truly has its all things considered next obstruction at $11.87, which in a real sense is very huge. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving extremely normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA, to for the most part examine the future development of the Axie endlessness. Exhibiting how XRP the sort of local coin of XRP basically is up by 0.19 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, which certainly is very huge. The Axie vastness generally has for the most part break all its fundamentally upholds levels, and things basically are not looking excellent for the crypto market in a sort of enormous manner. Presently, fundamentally bears basically are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take Axie's cost beneath the critical help level of $10.21 in every practical sense, further appearance how we utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal assembly and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving all things considered, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving really normal, EMA, to all things considered, dissect the future development of the Axie endlessness, exhibiting how XRP the extremely local coin of XRP generally is up by 0.19 and right now exchanging at 52 cents, which in every practical sense is very huge. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, or so they sort of thought. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense, day-to-day outline. Showing how these occasions really demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a descending bearing for in every